Diphyllobothrium latum. This parasite is also known as broad tapeworm or fish tapeworm, and they are also called largest tapeworm of human due to its size. And these parasites can be found in man, dog, cat, pig, polar bear, and different other fish-eating mammals. This parasite lives in the small intestine of this final host. There are two intermediate hosts. Uh, the first one is copepod crustacean, that is Cyclops. So maybe you are not aware of what is Cyclops. So Cyclops is one of the most common genera of freshwater copepods, comprises over 4,000 species. And these individuals may range from 0.5 to 5 millimeters in long, and they are mostly found in fresh water. And these cyclops act as the intermediate host for the completion of life cycle of Diphyllobothrium, latum, and another parasite that is called Dracunculus medinensis. And the common name of that parasite is called guinea worm. And the second intermediate host for this particular parasite is different freshwater fish. And in this fish, pleurosarcoid will be developed. So this is the picture of prosarcoid. This is very tiny structure. Around you can see the scale bar to understand or to assume what would be their size. And this will be developed in Cyclops, and another metacestode that is called pleurosarcoid. This is also very tiny structure, and this will be developed in the musculature of different freshwater fish. Morphological features of Diphyllobothrium latum. The adult parasite is very long. It may range 2 to 12 meters or even up to 20 meters in length. And the proglottid is around 1 to 2 centimeter wide. Color of this parasite is grayish to yellow in color, and there is a dark central marking located in the middle of each proglottid. So this is due to the location of uterus with eggs. And microscopic characteristics includes there is no suckers on their scolex. Instead of suckers, it possesses two muscular structure, which is also known as Bothria. And I have, when I discuss about the differences between the parasite under the Cyclophilidae and Pseudophilidae, I talked about different features of the parasite under the Pseudophilidae. So you can apply those features here. And what about their neck compared to the Cestode under the Cyclophilidae? Their neck is less developed or inconspicuous. And what about their proglottid? Proglottid is almost square shaped, although it look like rectangular. And there is only one set of genital organs located in each of the proglottid, and you can see two ovaries here. Ovary is lobulated, and there is branching of the black structure is called the uterus, and uterus has also lateral branching on each side to accommodate more eggs. And you can see the vital area and the testes are scattered located throughout each of the proglottid. So the morphological features summary. I have talked about that the adult tapeworm may range 2 to 12 meters, or even they may reach up to 20 meters. This is one of the broadest tapeworm of human due to their breadth, so it is around 1 to 2 centimeter wide. Color grayish to yellowish color, and there is a dark central margin due to presence of uterus with the eggs. And there is no scolex. There is no suckers on the scolex. Instead, they will have two bothria. So bothria is the whole first organs or whole first group or muscular longitudinal groups. The function of these groups is to attach with the final that is host. The neck is less conspicuous compared to the parasite under the order Cyclophyllaceae, and the mature and the gravid proglottid are almost square shaped, and they will have a central genital orifice for each of the segment. I will show you in a moment. Another important features is one set of genital organs located in each of the proglottids. So you can see there are different male genital organs and female genital organs located in this segment, and there is numerous testes and yolk glands lie in the lateral field. So you can see the black doors are the vitelline gland and the white doors are the testes. So they are mixed together and they will be located scatteredly throughout each of the proglottid. And ovary is bilobed. There are two ovaries and each of the ovaries lobulated. And another important features is the lateral branching or lateral lobes of uterus, and each of the from each side of this ovary there will be 4 to 8 lobes, and you can see there is an opening. This is called uterine pore, and next to it there is another opening. This is called genital pore. So the genital pore opens ventrally. If you look at this picture, this is the rear view of the segments. So genital pore is located in the middle of the segment and it opens ventrally, and this is the ovary. Okay, so these are the reference books that I have used during preparing this presentation, and I have also used a lot of open source information from internet. And finally, as usual, thank you so much for watching this video.